Why do I do what I do? Financial planning is personal. I discovered its power early in my career in finance. I took a job helping state employees understand their financial benefits, and I spoke with literally thousands of public servants about the details of their pension and 403bs, how the stock and bond markets work, and how to make the markets work best for them. Whether I was speaking with a crossing guard, a teacher, police officer, or elected official, I found it deeply rewarding to explain not just where their finances stood, but what was possible. Investing wasn't as complex as they thought, and after our conversations, you could hear it in their voices: relief, and sometimes even joy. That shift from uncertainty to clarity, that's the job I take on. Whatever your situation, we'll work through it together to build confidence and chart a path towards your financial goals. Because personal finance is more than just about numbers, it's shaped by psychology, past and present, the good and the bad, and the emotions that we carry. Money's just a concept that we've all agreed upon, but in real life, it's a tool. It's how we care for our families, create memories, leave legacies. It's comfort, freedom, and opportunity. It puts food on the table and a roof over our heads, but also choices in our lives. These are heavy topics, often loaded with emotion. And that's exactly why we need to face them with clarity, compassion, and a plan.